Hi, this is Kamil, and as a way of introducing myself, I put together this workshop here. So this workshop is going to be based on 4 out of 6 pillars of health of the Marlow Club, which is exercise, recovery, nutrition, and stress management. We are not going to cover sleep, but if you want to have 60 minutes nap, you can always come to the club. In terms of the exercise, we're going to have 10 minutes warm-up, nice and dynamic warm-up, following 30 minutes workout where we're going to have just a simple workout, kind of body weight and with the dumbbell. Then we have the recovery phase, which is going to be 10 minutes stretching, mobility and foam rolling. And after that, we're going into the optional part, which is the nutrition part, where we're going to have 10 minutes mini seminar about nutrition and lifestyle. And lastly, we're going to have 2 tools for your mindfulness, and it's going to be meditation 10 minutes and 10 minutes journaling. In total, the whole thing is going to be 80 minutes, but if you pick only the workout part, it's going to be 50 minutes. So it's up to you if you want to go all the way, but I would suggest that because it's nice and balanced workshop where it's mind and body. And it's going to be held in the Muscle Beach outdoor area. So it's downstairs, outside of the Marlow Club. And it's going to be run 3 times a week. One workshop will be in the morning, then lunchtime, and then evening. So you can pick your time as well. And you just need to follow the link below and book yourself in. It's going to be £10, and I'm looking forward to see you here and have a great session.